Welcome back, my dear students. Today we will explore the anatomy of human testis and the hormones it produces. Step by step we will learn about its structure, the seminiferous tubules where sperms are formed, the role of Sertoli and Leydig cells, and how testosterone and the other hormones control male reproduction. By the end, you will understand how this amazing organ supports sperm production, male characteristics, and overall reproductive health. General features of the testis. Testes or testicles are paired oval gland located in the scrotum. Their size is about 5 centimeter long and 2.5 centimeter wide. Its weight is near about 10 to 15 grams each. This structure of testes develop near the kidneys and descend into the scrotum through the inguinal canal during the 7th month of the fetal development or embryonic development. Coverings of the testis. Tunica vaginalis, it is the covering. It is the serous membrane derived from the peritoneum during descent. Clinical note: hydrocele. If accumulation of fluid within the tunica vaginalis, usually it is harmless. Tunica albuginea, it is tough white fibrous capsule beneath the tunica vaginalis. It forms septa that divide testis into 200 to 300 lobules. The last point: lobules and seminiferous tubules. Each lobule contains 1 to 3 seminiferous tubules. Its function is site of spermatogenesis or sperm formation. Cells of seminiferous tubules, spermatogenic cells, it develop into sperm. Such tentacular cells or Sertoli cells, they support spermatogenesis. Origin of sperm cell: spermatogonia or stem cells, they arise from primordial germ cells from the yolk sac. Enter testes during 5th week of development. They stay dormant until puberty, then become active to start sperm production. Maturation sequence of sperm inside the tubules: primary spermatocytes, secondary spermatocytes, spermatids, sperm cells or spermatozoa which are released into the lumen. This is the lumen. The spermatozoids are released into the lumen. Sertoli or sustentacular cells, they extend from the basement membrane to lumen. They form the blood testis barrier except around spermatogonia. Their functions are: nourish spermatogenic cells, they remove excess cytoplasm, they regulate movement of cells and release of sperm, they secrete fluid for sperm transport, they produce hormone inhibin, they help regulate actions of testosterone and FSH. Interstitial or Leydig cells, they are found between seminiferous tubules. They secrete testosterone, which is the main androgen hormone. Functions of testosterone: male reproductive development, secondary male characters, they stimulate libido or sex drive. Hormones of the testes. The testes are basically the male gonads. Besides producing sperm, they also secrete important male hormones like androgens. Testosterone. The source of the testosterone, they secreted mainly by the interstitial or Leydig cells of the testis. Their functions are: development of male reproductive organs, helps in the growth of the penis, scrotum, testis and prostate. Secondary sexual characters responsible for beard and mustache development, mustache growth, deepening of voice, broad shoulders and muscle growth. Spermatogenesis, they stimulate sperm production in the seminiferous tubules. Anabolic effect: increases protein synthesis, bone growth and muscle mass. Behavioral role: they influences male sex drive or libido and aggregation. Inhibin, male hormone, is the source of inhibin is produced by Sertoli cells in the testis. Their function is inhibit secretion of FSH or follicle stimulating hormone from the anterior pituitary, thereby regulating sperm production. Clinical note: cryptorchidism, condition where testes fail to descend into scrotum. This is the undescended testis. One testis is in normal position and another is undescended position. So this phenomenon is called as cryptorchidism. It occurs in 3% term infants and 30% premature infants. The effects, if untreated, leads to sterility due to high abdominal temperature, 30 to 50 times higher risk of testicular cancer. In 80% cases, the testes descend naturally in the first year. If not, surgical correction is advised before 18 months. In today's class, we explored how the testis, a vital reproductive organ, is perfectly designed for both sperm production and hormone secretion. From the seminiferous tubules forming sperm to Sertoli cells supporting their growth and Leydig cells releasing testosterone, every part works in harmony. Remember, the testis is not only essential for reproduction but also for developing male characteristics, maintaining fertility, and driving vitality. Truly, it is cornerstone of the male reproductive system. Thank you.